Hello, welcome back to my channel. I have quite a few projects, upcyclings for Christmas that I'm doing at the moment. So if you're following me, you know that I mentioned an old drawer that I had. So I'm going to create a winter scene type of thing. So I already sprayed this normal snow spray just to make it a bit whiter. I apologize for being in a weird angle, but I want you guys to see what I'm doing, and because I'm working inside the box, I think it's the best way for you guys to see what I'm doing. So this is no right or wrong. You use what you have and you do it whatever way you prefer, and in your mind it looks right. I was very lucky because this week I was helping Queensby to do redoing a flower arrangement, and I came across a lot of dried flowers and sticks and things like that, so I immediately thought I can use this, I'm not going to throw away. So I have this very pretty one. My glue gun is ready. I apologize for the noise in the background, but Mr. B is busy working. So I think I will put this one here. Get these little things when I find them in the shop, special at this time. They're already on sale for £1.50, something like that. This was actually very silver. I didn't like it, so I sprayed it white. I have also this snowman. It's just the right size for what I want. And I have this little stand. I think I bought it in the Poundland or Pound Stretcher. It was actually very goldy sparkly, not my thing. So again, I just sprayed lightly with a bit of snow, fake snow, just to tone it down a little bit. think that's pretty much it. I may add some more bits as I go along, but for now I'm leaving it like so. I think it's really pretty and very unique. No one else has it. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these ones that I'm doing at the moment. Thank you. Bye bye.